So here's just another little update on the twin turbo build for my TR7. Intercooler to throttle body was all done with pie cuts. See the intercooler. Next challenge is to figure out, you can see the charge tubing coming up through the inner fender there. Same with here. It's right here. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do this yet, but I'm thinking cut this out, this triangle section here of the inner fender. Then I can easily put a connector piece from the discharge of the turbo to here, and then possibly make a just a flange that would cover it so you can't see the inner fender there. It would also maintain the pressure of air inside this inner fender to feed the fresh air ducts inside the car. But getting air into the engine bay wouldn't be a bad idea either with these turbos in here now, and I might just have to suffer without as much flow into the car on hot days. So I'm not really sure what to do, but I'll figure it out. And you can see under here, those are the tubing runs. I'm not clamped yet, but I got both sides done. You can see it snakes up to inside up in there. I'll go up. Not sure if I'm gonna have to strap it down or not, but and you can see up there too. I have to lower the radiator a little bit because it hits the charge tube to the throttle body. No big deal. Anyway, that's it for now.